I think I've always had a creative knack and also like a problem-solving knack, but I didn't have a name to it. So I wanted to find a new program, a new major that actually played to my strengths. So I found industrial design, the program. So I was like, I'm going to Iowa State. So after my sophomore year, I was in Iowa State and I was working in the industrial design like woodshop, just as a part-time job in the summer while living on campus. I was talking to my director, Akshay, and I was asking about his day, and he said he had a friend who was a welder. And I was like, do you think I could like come in and like learn and shadow? But I can't risk my hair catching on fire, but I also want to continue being in this space. So through that, I explored the whole design process. I started sketching, I did a lot of research, I talked to other welders, I talked to firefighters here actually, and like just learning what the fireproof world looked like and what this pain point was like for other people. I knew I had the issue, but was there other people also? And through that, I just validated that this was a real issue. I developed the cap, I worked really hard on it, and I always say like, I try hard in school, but when you have a personal connection like that and you're gonna get a really cool welding cap in the end, you work extra hard on it. So I went the extra mile and like made the whole cap. Overall, it's been really positive feedback. Like a lot of them are just saying like this makes it a lot more inclusive for their students with longer hair, thicker hair, even students who could possibly be like Muslim and need to cover their hair. Just like it opens up a lot more opportunities. And I think that can allow a lot more people to enter welding and maybe be less scared. I had no intention of being like a full-fledged business. I didn't think I was gonna become like an LLC and patent pending and actually like launch a website. It was never my intention. I think Iowa State is a big part of my story and how I kind of became who I became.